I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Google account and backup you'll use. This matters because Drive can hold multiple device archives. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and keep the phone charging to avoid interruptions. Open Settings, then Accounts and Backup. Tap Google Account, choose Restore Data, and select the device backup you need. This first action cues the restore and tells the system which app data and settings to pull from Drive. Next, you'll control what specifically comes back: apps, photos, messages, or settings. After choosing items to restore, the Play Store re-downloads apps and Android applies settings. That's why you should keep the screen active and be patient. Make sure to grant runtime permissions when an app prompts, because without them, data won't populate. Also watch the notifications for progress and errors, and avoid interrupting background downloads. Pausing or switching networks can finally verify that contacts, photos, and key app data are present. You must often re-authenticate accounts and re-enable two-factor authentication, so plan time for that. Once everything appears, restart the phone to let background services finalize syncs. If something's missing, make sure Drive shows the backup with the correct timestamp and then run Restore again. If problems persist, clear Play Store cache and retry or temporarily toggle Wi-Fi off and on. This one troubleshooting step usually resolves stalled restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.